G'day YouTube, Turbo Tristan here. Today is a little bit of a bittersweet day. It's the last day that we are owning the EK4, the purple EK4 that you've seen a couple of videos on now. But with the new owner's blessing, he's given me permission to do a video cracking Vtec, so we can get some nice footage, some nice noise, some nice driving, feedback, sounds, all that sort of stuff. So stick around and we'll crack some Vtec. So we haven't actually owned this car very long. It's been around about, let's just say, 1 month since I first picked it up. And in that time, we haven't done a lot to the car. We've put some genuine rocker cover gasket, distributor O-ring, and Vtec solenoid gasket on there. Haven't touched the car at all. I was given an offer that I couldn't refuse. Didn't even advertise the car. Somebody wanted it more than I did, so we let it go. We are fortunate enough that I do get to drive it one last time, which will actually be my second time driving the car. But first, before we do that, the car is 100% stock standard. It has a full exhaust on there, so it's really, really quiet. So to crack Vtec, what we're gonna do is just take off the air intake, AKA air boxing, so we can hear that induction noise, hear that Vtec crack and roar, and get some really good sound effects inside the car. So I'll undo that, jump in the car, get ready to go for a drive. Airboxing's complete. The car has been warmed up for a couple of minutes. So we'll just give it a rev test here in the driveway. There we have it, no more muffled intake noises thanks to a restrictive airbox, so it should sound great when we take it for a run. Too many laws in one go. Too many laws in one go. But there you go. There is the drive. You will have seen already a whole bunch of footage and noises of Vtec cracking. I'll be sad to see this car go. It's a very solid, good base for a project, and you know, hopefully one day we can get another one and do a build properly. I know a lot of people, when they found out this car was sold, I didn't even advertise it, they were upset. Because they don't get to hear all of that Vtec-y goodness. But them's the brakes. It wasn't for sale, but 20 bucks is 20 bucks. So it got sold. It's going to a very good home. The person that bought the car is quite a bit of an enthusiast for Hondas, and I'm very sure he'll restore this to its full former glory or its full potential. So yeah, very, very happy to move it on, which means we get to do other projects. Not much else I can do without getting arrested and hitting Vtec quite a bit more. We'll just enjoy some of that noise. I'll put the airbox back on. We'll finish off the video with it back to quiet, back to standard. We'll take it home and put it to bed one last time. And yes, I did put some fuel in it, 98 octane for the new owner so he can drive it home. Didn't realise it was on empty. Well, that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed the Vtec cracking. I know some people are going to ask me, why didn't I do a 400 meter pull or a 0 to 100 pull? That's because the car's not mine. Didn't want to kill it too much. Didn't want to burn out the clutch. Didn't want to do anything that would either jeopardize my license, someone's life, or the life of the car. So just for noise only. If anyone knows anyone with a Del Sol, I have a full Del Sol interior. I've just sold the seats. We've got plenty of B series parts now, which belong to my friend Tommy. I'm also working on my K series, which is now up on the stand. And we should have some engine mounts for the ED coming this week. And then I can put this bad boy in and we can get that up and running, hopefully. But until next time, don't forget to spool up. I know I forgot to tell you guys last time, but just a reminder, always spool up as much as possible. Still trying to get to 10K. Don't forget to subscribe. Bring the boost, and we'll see ya in the next video. Cheers.